Shalom, welcome back to Project 613. Today we are going to once again learn the Torah's prohibition against premarital relations. So we already know that physical intimacy can only take place within the context and after a kosher marriage. And we mentioned yesterday briefly this idea that this marriage ceremony is called Kiddushin. And today we're going to reflect upon the word Kiddushin. What does it mean and what does it represent? So the word Kiddushin comes from the word Kadosh. The root of the word is Kadosh, which means holy. Now we're referring to the marriage of husband and wife as something which is holy. And in truth, this actually is very important. It tells us the Torah's perspective of how we relate to physical intimacy between a husband and wife. Whereas in other religions or cultures, they may look at this physical bond as something which is unholy or even animalistic, but the truth is the Jewish perspective is that when done in the context of marriage and when done in the proper and in a holy fashion, it's actually a very holy act and very important. So the Kiddushin, the sanctification, the ceremony is very important because number one, it's kadosh, it makes it holy, but it also means that it's separated. Just like Shabbos, we call Shabbos Kodesh, the holy Shabbos. But why is Shabbos holy? What is different about Shabbos? It's on the seventh day of the week. Monday can never be Shabbos, no matter how hard you try. Even if you make the Kiddush and have a Shabbos meal, that won't make it into Shabbos. The seventh day is holy. It's separated from the rest of the 6 days of the work week. And the same thing happens with the marriage of a man and woman. The man separates himself from all other women, and the woman is separating herself from all other men, and they are joining together, they're becoming a union, they're becoming one. And here's a beautiful thought, that the word ish and isha come from, man and woman come from the same root, the word ish, of fire, but they're spelled differently. And the man is called ish, it has a yod, and the isha, the woman, has a hey. And if you put the yod from the man and the hey from the woman together, when there's a union of husband and wife, when it's done according to Torah law, when there's a chuppah and there's kiddushin, there's a sanctification, and then you're actually bringing God into the marriage. So the act of marriage and physical intimacy is a very holy act and should only be done after a proper Jewish chuppah has taken place and the marriage ceremony has consecrated the union between the husband and wife.